What's up guys, we're back again with another video. Today we got an unboxing, so we're gonna get right to it. Let's see what we got here. This is an unboxing. I know you guys seen the title, so it is a Louis Vuitton unboxing. And we're just gonna get it up, we're just gonna open it up here. So it came in this box, and this is just the ship packaging, so we're just gonna take out the actual Louis Vuitton box. And as you can see, Louis Vuitton switched from brown full box. This particular item came in, which is the Louis Vuitton monogram belt. And then here we have with us the receipts, another Louis Vuitton package. So let's get it open. All right. Of course, I love the packaging, so we're gonna kind of like just take the ribbon off there, and then we have the slide box. All right, and then what could it be? Of course, it can only be one of few things. So you're gonna open this up. All right, and look at that. The Louis Vuitton monogram in black, the silver LV. So I went with the all black with the silver LV. Of course, I don't know why they don't make that black LV belt with the gold buckle. I'm not sure why they don't make the black LV with the gold buckle. Got the brown one here, side by side. Nice. So we got the black and the brown. All right. You see that? LV. All right. And this is probably it for me, guys. I don't need any additional belts. I got the black, we got a brown. What's unique about this belt though, the black, what's unique about the black one is you can see the back of the belt is all black, so you can actually reverse. You can take this out and reverse it, and then you can wear it actually on the black side. So you can get you an all black belt with the LV if you wanted to wear an all black. So this particular one, the black one, is a reversible, so we can wear this in black with the print, or we can wear just all black with the LV. So I thought I should point out the quality of the belt. So check out how the V here on the belts, on the brown and the black, starts at the same point. And if you look down the belt, if you line them up side by side, notice how the LV lines up. Everything lines up exactly on this belt. That is amazing quality. See that? Down the whole belt, you're gonna see that they match. That's it. So we have the all black Louis Vuitton belt in black reversible. So let's see how it looks on.